Hey guys, Chris Naganuma, the community manager for HHV here. Seen some comments that have been coming into our private group about the new pop-out rail adapter kits and some issues that you guys have been having, so I'm coming on to address those. One of the questions that we've been seeing is, in fact, how do you pop the new racks in? And getting them to pop out has been easy, obviously, for most people, but getting them to pop into your head has been an issue with most people that own a bump helmet. So I'm going to show you how I do that with mine, which we've got the new racks on here using Walker razors. Put my chin strap on, and then what I'll do is I use the palm of my hand, and then as I'm pressing in, I press in and up. And that allows the rotation system to work. And so I'll use a palm, press in and up. Pop them out, and then we'll go back in again using the palm and up. Second question that we've been getting a lot in the closed group is how and where do we bend the wires for a better seal? For us, what we've seen best results in is bending the wires on the lowest axis of the wire point. When they're attached to the actual M-lock, you would bend those wires either closer towards your head or further away, depending on the ear attachment that you're using and the size of your head for a proper fitting. And third question that we've been seeing pretty often inside of the closed group is, do these new pop-out rack systems swivel? Much like our old design, the new design also swivels as well. Those will go forward, they'll go back, so depending on which way that you want them to sit, they'll swivel for you. And a final question that we tend to get asked a lot is, how many brands of ear protection do these actually work with? Well, we run a wire system, and so that's going to be somewhat on the end user to decide what's best for them. But every different ear type will have a different attachment point. Peltors run directly on the wire. Walkers can with a little bit of changing to the ear device. MSA sword-ins can work as well. I run sword-ins myself, and I use third-party attachment systems from Unity. I think it's called the SARA system, where we trim the wires a little bit, add an attachment, and then set a set screw. So for those of you that are running MSAs, that might be a solution. But there are so many different versions of ear attachments on the market today that we simply can't make something that works for every single one of them. But there are awesome third-party companies like Unity Tactical that make some great additions and great attachments that help alleviate those problems you may be running into.